Hi guys, so Got7 were endorsed the 4th of February from these snacks called Palke Noi, I think. I don't know how to pronounce it honestly. And I went to the store today and I actually found them. And I mean, being a huge Got7 fan, all my slogans are there. And I still have a lot of posters to put on my wall. So seeing that, I wanted to try it to see if were they actually good. So I have two. I have sriracha, and then I have I think this is original. Yeah, classic. So now they were buy one get one free, and this one was I think $5. They're not resealable. Okay. They smell like the Mexican. It's like chicharron. I mean, obviously these are fried. Okay, so let's try it. That's so good. It does have a fishy taste, so if you don't like fish, I probably recommend you don't eat this. Wow. It's actually really good. I'm not even joking. Not because I'm a Got7 fan and Got7 are being paid to advertise them. I actually really enjoy this. Okay. These are spicy flavors, so I don't even talk about the back. There's 120 calories for 2 of these. Okay. So this is a sriracha version. I get it weird. Oh my god, these are thin. Okay, so this compared to these are really thin. What the hell? Okay, let me try sriracha. I mean, it's seaweed, so it's gonna have that fishy taste. It's not spicy at all. And it instantly just melts in your mouth, but I'm gonna finish it, but 100% the classic is way better. The classic is tempura seaweed with sesame grain. And this is the front. This is way. This is so much better than that. This one. I definitely recommend this one. If you're gonna buy it, 100% get the original, the classic. It's really crunchy. It has a little bit of fish taste, a little bit of how to explain this? Well, it tastes kind of like tempura because it's tempura seaweed, and then obviously it tastes you can taste the sesame seeds since it has sesame seeds. Beauty girl? No, just kidding. Yeah, so get classic. They're actually I'm surprised that they're that good.